Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Wednesday, May 4th, 4:38 p.m. New York time. United States stock market is closed. Federal Reserve announced to raise interest rates by a quarter. That was already expected since they made public notice signals ahead of time. Not too much of a big surprise. Some buyers got in early yesterday, the day before, and other ones came in today to push it even higher, the indexes. We're going to look at the weekly time frame. Since middle of the week is already over for the U.S. stock market. S&P 500 cash index. Currently green. Look at that, huge trading range. We went into this demand zone where buyers were, and we expected it to reverse, and it did. Has a big wick on the bottom. Fibonacci retracement already crossed and currently above the 0.382, potentially going to the next 50% and 618. Let's zoom out a little bit more and notice these wicks down here, huge tills inside this consolidation, staircase pattern higher high. I labeled it as demand zone and we came into it. Yep. So to the upside, it's still considered a retracement. And I'll be looking for opportunities to take trades the other direction when we come into some of this key supply areas. Use caution. Again, this current weekly candle is not closed yet, not till Friday. NASDAQ 100, same thing, very similar. Dow 30, big move up, big till. Dow Transports also, it's an acceleration phase here. Going to see if it completes retesting the high of this till. And the Dow Utilities forming a bullish pin bar, potentially even maybe a hammer. See what happens at the end of the week. Again, not surprised, it's testing this consolidation and buyers are waiting to get in. And the Russell 2000, one of the weakest indexes. Yep. New low for the year already made for the week, but now it's forming a bullish pin bar. Bullish engulfing candle. So the takeaway is looking at all these indexes and notice, yeah, they all are green for the current week. But again, NASDAQ made a new low for the year. That's not good. And we have here the Dow looking stronger and also the NASDAQ looking one of the weaker out of these top three. So again, the tech sectors looking weaker and the Dow is looking stronger. Let's go into the sectors, the S&P 500 sectors. XLK. Not a surprise. We had that swing low there, tested it, little wicks, tills. Let's remove that. And now we're above the prior week. Again, still near the low of the years. XLV, well, there's the low for the year. Huge till, potential reversal. Didn't take out the high of last week. So it's definitely not as strong as other ones. XLF financials. Oof. Yep. Let's remove that. Again, made a new low for the year, and it didn't take out the prior high. The financials, the big banks. Well, interest rates go higher. Typically, financials start making more gains. It's not working for them. XLY, also new low for the year, and took out the swing low there. Not good. XLC, look at that. Higher high, higher low, turning around. Interesting. XLI, huge trading range. Very nice. Didn't take out the low of the year yet. That's good. XLP, look at that. Lower high, lower low, huge tail, buyer stepping in there. XLE, all-time new high for the year. Outstanding. Yep, that's strong like bull. XLU, forming a bullish pin bar. Interesting. We'll see if it does a 50% retracement or higher for this body. Still struggling here. XLRE, again, red, lower high, lower low, but forming a bullish pin bar. In this area, we'll label that potential area retest to the upside. Time will tell. But since this candle's not done yet, we have a potential still to go lower and retest this area. So I'd watch how this closes for the week and then see after that, are we going to have the trend reverse, follow through with higher highs, higher lows, or continue going down for potential trade entries. XLB, nice. Took out the high of last week, huge till. And again, look at that. Huge move up, consolidation. So now we expect potential retest of this area. Again, because it's rejecting, going lower. That's good. It's not done yet, but let's label that out. Same with this area. There we go. Okay, let's go to the Faang Plus stocks. The Faang Plus stocks are the most heavily weighted traded single stocks, pretty much. And they represent the largest percentage of the big stock indexes. Apple, currently green for the week. It made a lower low than last week, but it already took out that prior high. Let's remove this. And look at that midpoint. Remember that? Retested that and took that out. That's good. So we had a low there, rotation up, lower high. So depends how this closes for the week, but we may be making good reversals. Look, lower high, lower high. So if this closes here without taking out any more low on the bottom, then we expect a good run up to here. And if we could take out this high, that's even more bullish. Yep. So we'll watch how this goes to the upside. Microsoft, inside candle for the week. That's disappointing. Certainly is disappointing. Yep. So looking at this right now, even though it's not done yet, all we see is a consolidation. A consolidation. Let's do a little drawing, better drawing on that. There we go. I know it's not done for the week, but that's disappointing. Amazon, new low for the year. Look at that. Took out that low of last week. Small trading range. Also, let's remove this yellow horizontal line. Well, let's zoom out back so you can see what it did. So it took out that swing low all the way back from 2 years ago. Let's remove it. Facebook, 2 weeks in a row. Green, nice. Very nice. So here's price potential area for the upside. But overall, it's pretty much just a consolidation. If I look here, yep. Google, outstanding. It didn't make a new low for the year. It could be worse, but it's inside candle, indecision. And Tesla, also inside candle. And you see, look at that, low, higher low, higher low. More buyers coming to defend it. Each time it does pullbacks, as several of the other ones, you see buyers stepping in. November Victor Delta Alpha, currently green for the week. Took out the high last week. Let's remove this yellow horizontal line, which was swing low. Small trading range. Netflix inside candle for the week. Very disappointing. Not good. And Bravo Alpha, Alibaba. So again, here's the low for the year. Here's the high for the year. We are inside this range. And again, the low, lower high. That's good. Even though it's an inside candle, small trading range. Very small trading range. Here, so again, breaking this down. And we have earnings coming in soon. We have a potential reversal coming in here. So we may start seeing staircase pattern higher high, as we had here, a slow grind down. Yeah, consolidation, very slow. Wasn't huge like last year. So I want to expect what's going to happen here is as we grind higher, we might start having new buyers stepping in here. Not saying it's going to be late to get in, but if you're bullish, why not be putting your trades on now? And if they work out, you stick with them, you can add up to more. If it doesn't, get out of it. Look, this is a company similar to Amazon, and they have a huge customer base in Asia Pacific. And once China reopens, or same with some more Asian countries, you expect this again to start making more business. Many thanks for watching.